This is Jamie's grasshopper just eating that icing on the cake. Don't, no, not the cake. Leave him, leave him. He's just sucking it. It's just funny. Move out of the way. He's just going to town on it.
Maybe?
Oh.
Oh, good thing it's not on my icing.
Put him in front of it. Oh. Put him beside it. Don't hurt him.
Over here. No, you're going to turn. Don't.
There goes another one. Oh, he doesn't like it. He took off.
What doesn't he like?
This other one doesn't like it.
Get over here. Thank you. He turned wild while I was in there.
He doesn't like it.
He's all wild. Oh,
Maybe he doesn't like the other grasshopper. Remember, something the males don't like each other. The other one is still eating it. Oh my goodness, he's ate lots.
What happened? On this grasshopper, what happened?
That's funny.
Should I move him?
No, just let him eat.
Just let him enjoy his food?
Mm-hmm.